and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new, my name is Robin, and today I'm going to be decluttering and organizing in our master bedroom and guest room. And if you guys have watched my channel for very long, you will know that I have been inspired by the book Minimalist Home by Joshua Becker, and I'm going room by room in our home to declutter. My goal is to create a peaceful, functional space for our family in our home and to just minimize the things that are not serving us in our family so that we are not spending extra time managing our possessions so that we can focus on the important things in life. Today I'm in our master bedroom and I've done a lot of decluttering, but one thing that I haven't addressed are these boxes that we store under our bed. And what I have in them is mostly a lot of artwork. And when we moved to our home 3.5 years ago, the style of home was very different from the one that we moved from. And we don't have a lot of wall space for art like we did in our other home. And I just wasn't ready to part with a lot of these things. And so I have been storing them under the bed, and it has caused me to have to spend a lot of extra time cleaning because I have to move the boxes out and dust them, and it's for possessions that we're not even using. So today I'm going to make a decision on which ones we really want to hold on to, and then also decide which ones we want to either donate or give to other family members. So today all 3 of these boxes are coming out from under our bed, and I am going to enjoy a nice clear space under our bed with nothing in it at all. And this is really going to help me minimize the time that I spend both vacuuming and dusting in our bedroom. I brought all of the contents of those boxes here into our guest room to have some space to sort through them. I'm separating pictures from the picture frames that I do not wish to use anymore, and I'm going to donate those frames, but I really want to hold on to all of the pictures. Something that I would really like to do in the near future is convert all of our photos to a digital format. And so I'm hoping to either buy an inexpensive scanner to help me do that quickly or borrow one. And once I have that project done, we will have a way to enjoy our photos, because right now when they're in a pile like this under the bed, no one's even enjoying them. So I think that is a much better plan, and then I can clear out all of the physical pictures, and that will help clear out a lot of clutter. As I've been decluttering different areas of our home, this is where all of the photos are landing. And I have some other clutter in here that I need to clear out, but this is going to be the designated spot for the photos. And then in this top drawer, I want to clear this out completely so that when we have guests, they have some space to store their things. Space that I'm going through is this ottoman-like piece of furniture that we have at the foot of the bed, and I had a comforter and some pillows in there that we haven't been using, so those are going to get donated. And then I had a few other art pieces in here, and I've decided that this is where I'm going to store the art. I know I'm kind of deferring a decision here, but my grandmother was a painter, so some of them are hers and they mean a lot to me. I want to hold on to them even though I may not have the space to display them right now, but I know that if I don't use them, my sister or someone else in our family would love to have them, so I'm going to make sure that they're stored very carefully here for the time being. I also have a couple of small quilts and some baby blankets that belong to my boys, and they were sort of keepsakes too. I know that they've expressed an interest in having them maybe someday for their own kids, so I'm going to use those to help protect the art and hold on to those as well. So this will be sort of a keepsake trunk for now. So this is all of the clutter that I was able to clear out today. We've got the comforter and the pillows that we're going to donate, a pile of books, and all of the picture frames that we're not using anymore, and just a small bag of trash. We're also donating the 3 underbed storage boxes. I was able to completely clear out this top drawer, so now our guests have some extra space for things when they come to visit. And in the lower drawer, I was able to consolidate our photographs and a few other things, and now they have a home until I am able to convert them to digital form. I like having our guest room be an inviting space for our guests that doesn't have a lot of clutter on the surfaces, so that when our guests come, they don't have to move things around, and it's also very easy for me to keep clean. And having this trunk at the end of the bed is really useful. I can tuck away those items that are special to our family and they are out of sight. And this TV cabinet that we have in the corner has the TV as well as a few items that we like to display. And you saw what I'm keeping in the drawers, so I've cleared out one more for guests if they need some extra storage space. This dresser drawers next to the door is completely empty for our guests and all of their things, as well as the closet and the nightstands. Back in our master bedroom, I have some decluttering to do in my nightstand. This drawer is actually pretty neat because I've decluttered it before, but I realized that there are still items in here that I'm not using on a regular basis and I don't need to keep holding on to. And so in Konmari fashion, I'm going to remove everything from my drawers, and then I'm going to go through, see what sparks joy, what is actually useful that I would like to hold on to, and anything else is going to go. I have some old eyeglasses in here, and those are going to my optometrist because she will donate them to people who could use them. That has been one of the really nice things about decluttering our home, because I found so many things that our family isn't using that I know other people could really benefit from. And so it has blessed our family to be able to bless others. And I know that I could sell a lot of the items that we have in our home, but I would really prefer to donate most everything unless it's a really big ticket item like a piece of furniture or something like that, because we've already spent the money on these items and the time and effort it would take to recoup it just wouldn't be worthwhile, and we would really miss out on blessing other people when we do that. I didn't realize how much I would enjoy having this space be decluttered. It has been so nice to just have a few things that I really use right next to my bed. So these books are here. They're all my favorites for nighttime reading. The extension cord is here because I have a heating pad in the lower drawer, so if I need that at nighttime, it's close by. I even have space to put my reading glasses on top of the book I'm currently reading, which clears up space on the top of my nightstand. And this little smiley face was made by my son when he was probably in kindergarten, and it just always makes me smile, so I like having that close by too. I really want to minimize the things that we store on our surfaces, and that makes things a lot easier for me to clean, and I just like the visual decluttering. So this box has scarves, and I plan to take them out, fold them KonMari style, and then store them in space that I have in my dresser. this is probably really weird, but one of my favorite parts about decluttering today was clearing out those under the bed boxes so that I could vacuum like this under our bed. I hope that today's video gave you lots of inspiration and motivation to declutter and minimize the areas in your home for your family to enjoy. If you liked today's video and you'd like to see more like it, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you subscribe, make sure that you hit the bell icon, and that way you'll get notified each time I upload a new video and you won't miss out on anything. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in the next video.